Hey, welcome back, my friend. Today I'm going to give you 4 powerful tips to help you speak clearly in English and even sound more like a native speaker. I know how it feels. You have an idea in your head, but when you try to say it in English, the words get messy. People look confused. You feel frustrated, but guess what? You can fix that. These tips will make your English communication clear, simple, and memorable. And here's the best part. You don't need big, complicated words. You don't need a perfect accent. You just need to know how to share your ideas in a way that people understand fast. Today, I'll show you exactly how. We'll break it into 4 steps. 1. Simplify your idea. 2. Prove your idea. 3. Connect your idea to an emotion. 4. Share examples for your idea. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your thoughts into words that stick in people's minds. So, are you ready? Let's jump right in. Tip 1. Simplify your idea. Here's the truth. If your idea is too complicated, people won't remember it. You have to make it super clear and short. Imagine you have 1 minute to tell your friend something important. How would you do it? You would remove all the extra details. You would keep only the important part. Here's how to do it. Ask yourself, what is my main point? Remove extra words. Put the idea into one sentence. For example, instead of saying, I think that studying every single day, even if only for a short period of time, can help improve your language skills significantly over the long run. Say this, study every day to get better at English. Simple, clear, easy to remember. When you make your idea short, people can repeat it. If they can repeat it, they can remember it. All right, now that your idea is simple, we move to the next step. Tip 2. Prove your idea. All right, now you have a short, simple idea. But here's the problem. If you just say it, people might think, sounds nice, but is it true? That's why you need to prove your idea. When you prove it, you give people a reason to believe you. It's like saying, I'm not just telling you this. I can show you why it works. So how do you prove your idea? You can. 1. Share a fact or number. 2. Share a short story. 3. Share your own experience. Let's go back to our example from tip 1. The simple idea was, study every day to get better at English. How can we prove it? We can say, I studied 15 minutes every day for 3 months, and now I can have basic conversations. Now your listener thinks, wow, and if it worked for you, maybe it can work for me too. Or you can use a fact. Research shows that short daily practice is better for your memory than one long study session. Notice what's happening here? We are not just saying the idea, we are giving it power. Here's another example. If your idea is drink water when you wake up, you can prove it by saying, when I started drinking a glass of water in the morning, I felt more awake and had more energy. Boom! Now it's not just advice, it's evidence. Proving your idea makes people trust you. And when people trust you, they listen more. All right, you have a simple idea and you've proved it. But if you want people to remember it for a long time, you need the next step. Tip 3. Connect your idea to an emotion. All right, here's a secret. People don't just remember words. They remember how you made them feel. If your idea is only in their head, they might forget it tomorrow. But if your idea is also in their heart, they will remember it for years. So how do you do this? You connect your idea to an emotion. Let's go back to our example. Study every day to get better at English. You could say, imagine this. 1 year from now, you're talking to a native speaker without fear. You feel proud, confident, and free. Now, it's not just study every day. It's about the feeling of success. When people hear this, they think, I want to feel that. I want that life. Here's another one. If your idea is drink water when you wake up, you could add emotion by saying, you wake up, take a sip, and feel your body wake up with you. It's like giving your body a good morning hug. Simple, right? But now it's more than advice. It's a picture in the listener's mind. You can use emotions like happiness, pride, hope, excitement, even fear if it helps make the point, but be gentle. The key is to help people see themselves in the idea. When they can imagine it, they care more. And when they care more, they remember more. All right, now your idea is simple, proven, and emotional. But we're not done yet. We need one last step to make it unforgettable. Tip 4. Share examples for your idea. You know what makes an idea stick? A story. Humans love stories. It's how we've shared ideas for thousands of years. When you give someone an example, you turn your idea into something real. It's no longer just theory. It's something they can see, feel, and remember. Let's stick with our main example. Study every day to get better at English. Instead of just saying that, share a little story. When I started learning English, I made a rule: study 10 minutes every morning before breakfast. Some days I felt lazy. Some days I wanted to skip, but I didn't. After 6 months, I was shocked. I could order food, chat with shop owners, and even make a joke, all from those 10 minutes a day. See what happened? The idea became a picture in the listener's mind. They can imagine me at my table studying, then talking to people in English. Now, they don't just think, that's good advice. They think, if it worked for you, maybe it can work for me. Here's another quick example. If your idea is go for a short walk every day, you could say, my friend Maria started walking for 15 minutes after lunch. After 1 month, she said her mind felt clearer, her mood was better, and she even slept better at night. Stories are powerful because people remember them longer, believe them more, and feel connected to you. And remember, your story doesn't have to be big or dramatic. Small, everyday stories work best. Why? Because your audience can see themselves doing the same thing. So, we've covered all 4 tips, but before we wrap up, let's bring it all together in a clear, motivating summary. All right, let's wrap this up. We've talked about 4 powerful tips to help you communicate clearly in English and sound more natural. Here's a quick review. Tip 1. Simplify your idea. Make your idea short and clear. Put it in one simple sentence so people can remember it. Tip 2. Prove your idea. Give a reason for people to believe you. Share a fact, a number, or a personal experience. Tip 3. Connect your idea to an emotion. Make people feel something. Show them why they should care about your idea. Tip 4. Share examples for your idea. Tell a story. Make your idea real and relatable. That's it. 4 steps. Simple, right? But here's the truth. Learning these tips is not enough. You need to use them. So here's your challenge. Today, take one idea you have and share it with someone in English using these 4 tips. It could be a friend, a classmate, or even your social media followers. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Perfect is not the goal. Clear and confident is the goal. And remember, you can do this. I believe in you. Every time you speak, you're training your brain, building your confidence, and getting closer to the English speaker you want to be. So go out there, share your ideas, and watch how people start listening more and remembering more. You've got this. See you in the next video.